eyebrow.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is going to be for our working women, and I'm going to do it on my friend now because she's a lawyer and she came in for a very quick face beat before going to work. So I'm starting off with her brows and I'm using my LA Girl gel in the shade Black. I'm concealing her under eyes with the shade Toast from LA Girl concealer. I prepped her eyelids with the same shade of concealer and I set it with my benign translucent powder. She has oily skin, so I am prepping her skin with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and I'm absorbing more of the oil with my benign translucent powder. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 10C. And I'm applying all this with my Real Techniques blending brush. To conceal her under eyes, I'm using my Colourpop concealer in the shade Deep Tan. And because it's an everyday work look, we're not going to do a lot of highlighting and contouring and baking and all that, you know, cockamamie things. I'm going to set her concealed areas with my black opal loose powder in the shade Deep. And I'm blending everything out again with my Maybelline cacao powder. And I did a little bit of reverse contouring with my black opal loose powder in the shade Deep. And I contoured her nose with my Maybelline cacao powder. For blush, I'm using these two shades from my Forever Clair blush palette, and I use that to add warmth to her face. And for highlighter, I'm using my Revolution highlighter just to give her a little bit of glow on her nose, on her cheeks, and also on her eyelids. A little bit on her eyelids because we want it not to look dull. For liner, she didn't want a very bold liner, so I just used my Maybelline Kajal liner. And for mascara, I used my Zaron volumizing mascara. I set everything with my NYX finishing spray, and for her under eyes, I smashed it with a purple eyeshadow. For lips, I'm using the shade Libra from the Kylie Cosmetics, and I sealed everything with my lip gloss from Classic Cosmetics. I laid her edges and she was good to go. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also share. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.